So I just want to show you how we get set up being connected to Google Web Services. So we just want to go under Raindrops, Google Sheet Connect, Authorize, Setup, Authorize. And this has 3 inputs. These inputs we need to get from the developer console. So I'll show you how to set up a project. It's pretty simple. If you have a Google account, it's console.developers.google.com. Anyone who has a Google account can access this. Create project. We call the project whatever we want. I'm going to call it Google Sheets Connect. Hit create. Now it's going to just create this new project on Google servers. And once this is set up, I'll take you through the steps of adding the information you need. So now this is done. We just go to APIs and auth, credentials, and create a new client ID. We want to do installed application, configure consent screen, and then there's just a couple things we need to add here: an email address and a product name. So again, I'm going to call it Google Sheets Connect, but you can call it whatever you want. Save. And you want to make sure that the application type is installed application, and it's on other, the second installed application type there, and create client ID. So now you should have it. It's going to pop up this window again. Just click cancel. So now you should have the information you need: the client ID, the client secret, and the redirect URI. So if we go copy that, paste that into Dynamo. It's going to create a new code block, put some quotes around so it knows that it's a string, and connect that to the client secret input. I'm going to go back, client ID input, go back and grab the client secret, and copy paste that. So we just need these 3 inputs. Once this is set up and you hit run, it should open your default web browser and prompt you to give the application you just set up access to your Google Drive. So this is how you give it API access to your Google Drive information. So got that. We hit run. It should open up. There we go. I'm going to pick my GaryTech.com and say accept. You see it's asking permission. And now you have an access code. Now you take that access code, copy it, and pick the second node under setup, store tokens. And that's basically when you give it the access code, it's going to ping the Google servers and get a token and store that token, and that's going to give you access whenever you want it. So you only have to do this one time. You only have to do this once. And now, just to show you that it does have access now, I'm going to just quickly set up a workflow to find all of the Google spreadsheets on your Google Drive account. So if we go these nodes, find spreadsheets, and list the spreadsheet titles. I'm just going to add a watch node so you can see the list of spreadsheets. There's other nodes for reading and writing to spreadsheets too. I'm going to give the title empty string so that it gives me back all of the current spreadsheets on my account, and connect it all up and hit run. You should see it. So this should only take you, maybe 10 minutes or less with this video, and hopefully you'll all be set up. Only have to do it one time. All right, thanks.